farm actually came into the Norwood family in the late 1700s. William Norwood moved here from Surrey County, Virginia to Northampton County. And he sold, when Chatham County was formed, he sold the land he had in Northampton County and moved to Chatham County. And this was all part of the farm that he had. It was about 1,600 acres. And it went all the way from here down Lamont Norwood Road, across Man's Chapel Road, and then went on across Andrew Store Road and went to Parker Herndon Road. So he had all the land from Parker Herndon Road through the woods to here. He died in 1825. He was buried on Parker Herndon Road. He had 10 children. His land was all divided among children. And David Norwood got from here down to Man's Chapel Road, across where Lamont, all that was David Norwood's land. And then David died. His son, George Washington Norwood, or G.W. Norwood, got this actual farm. And that was in 1872. G.W. sold the land to Benjamin Franklin Snipes. Benjamin Franklin Snipes was our great-granddaddy on our grandmother's side. Benjamin Franklin Snipes turned around and sold it to A.R. Norwood, and that was in 1886, on February the 9th, 1886. And so A.R. Norwood was G.W. Norwood's nephew. So G.W. sold it to Benjamin Franklin, who was A.R.'s wife's daddy, was his dad-in-law. And he bought it back from his dad-in-law when he got married. And so then Lenora, and he sold it to Lenora, and I never did figure out why that was.
I wondered about that too. I wondered, could there have been a tax reason in those days? Taxes weren't so complicated, but I wondered if
in 1899. A.R. Norwood sold it to Lenora.
And I've heard that, yeah. I wondered what was.
And I don't know why that was done, but then when she died is when Daddy and Grady got it. And
they inherited it.
They inherited it when she died. And then her brother, Dr. Phil Snipes, down in Sanford, had some land down there. He was a doctor and a pharmacist and run the drugstore and had a doctor's office upstairs. And he had some land down there. And when he died, Daddy and Uncle Grady got that land. So they sold that land and gave the money to Uncle Grady to buy the farm down on Tobacco Road. And so Uncle Grady then sold his part of this farm to Daddy. So that's how Daddy wound up with this, and Uncle Grady got the farm on Tobacco Road.
How many acres do you have there?
It was 193 in the farm at that point.
Yeah.
When Daddy died, we had to have some money to pay for funeral expenses in the hospital and to carry on. And we sold 17 acres to Dr. Harris, who developed Indian Landing over here. He had about 400 acres over there, didn't have any road. So we sold him 17 acres to get him out to the road.
Yeah.
He was glad to get it, and we were glad to get it.